Here I have a NAND cassette tape, and the problem is this open button of the cassette tape is not working. Been taped shut. Well, let's see what's going on. So the cassette tape just pops back. This button's not working. If you look at the back here, it does have loose parts, so let's see what's going on. So what I think is, normally there's this latch that latches on to the cassette, and it looks like it's been pushed in right here, so I'm just going to push that black tab back. So in there seems to be this little tab that's keeping it from coming out. So I'm thinking that I need to screw that screw in a little bit. So what I ended up doing was just using a little bit of super glue and gluing that little tab right here to the right a little bit so that it wasn't hitting here. So this is easy to go now. Okay, so we're gonna see if that works. So it closes nicely and it opens. There we go. It's working nicely. Working like a charm now.